Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can control or adjust your phone volume without using the volume button on Android mobile phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. There will be two methods that you can try to control your phone volume without using the button. The first one, you can go to the quick setting panel guys, and then you will see the volume icon right here, this one guys, and you can control it. And you can also go to the setting, just tap and hold on the volume icon and it will bring you to the setting, sounds and vibration setting. And here, if you want to control your volume, your phone volume, you just need to go to the volume menu and you can control the ringtone volume and the media, and notification and AI assistant and also alarm. Okay, and here you can control the system sound if you want. Just go to the system sound. But if you want to control your volume, go to the volume to customize it without the volume button. Okay, and then the next one, you can use this menu guys. This is called assistant menu. Here you can control your volume as long as you add the volume item to the assistant menu. Okay, you can control the media volume and also the ringtone volume. I'm going to choose media and I'm going to control it guys. And if you want to close it, just click on the X button. It's already closed. Okay, click on this X button. And I'm going to show you how you can activate this assistant menu. You can go to your setting first. Okay, this is my setting. And wait. I'm going to go to the accessibility setting and select the interaction and dexterity. And this is the assistant menu. Here you can activate your assistant menu and make sure that you add the volume item to the assistant menu. Just select the assistant menu and select assistant menu items to customize the items. Make sure that you choose volume so you can control your volume using the assistant menu. Okay guys, and that's how we can control or adjust the volume without phone volume. And I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.